touch, I could with just one touch, I could feel my body giving.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Sufira Tunisha. I'm from class PBI 7A. Here I made this video to fulfill my final exam assignment. Speech act in conversation. A speech act is an action performed by a speaker through utterance in a specific social context. This concept emphasizes the speaking is not simply producing sentence, but also engaging in social action. According to Levinson 2008, in pragmatic studies, a speech act is related to the speaker's intention and how the utterance is understood by the listener in a particular context. In discourse analysis, Hanford and G. 2023 emphasizes that a speech act cannot be spared from social context, power relation, and discourse. Types of speech act. Referring to pragmatic tradition, Levinson 2008 speech acts are generally divided into: first, locutionary act, the literal utterance; second, illocutionary act, the intention or function of the utterance; 3. Perlocutionary act, the impact of the utterance on the listener. Case example: classroom context, the teacher says to the students, "It's very hot in this classroom." Locutionary statement about the temperature. Illocutionary indirect request for the window to be opened. Perlocutionary student opens the window. According to Holmes and Wilson 2017, the use of indirect speech act like this often occurs in educational contexts to maintain social relations and politeness. 2. Turn-taking. Turn-taking is a system of regulating turn-taking in a conversation so that the interaction flows orderly and without chaos. According to Sidnell and Stevers 2012, in conversation analysis, turn-taking in a basic, universal conversational mechanism, although its implementation can vary. Principle of turn-taking. Some key principle, usually only one person speaks at a time. Turn-taking occurs quickly and regularly. Participants in the conversation recognize turn-taking transition points. Hanford and G. 2023 at the turn-taking also reflects power relation, for example, informal discussion or classrooms. Case example: classroom discussion. Teacher who can explain. Students raise their hands. Teacher, go ahead, Rina. In this example, the teacher controls the distribution of turn-taking, demonstrating a position of authority. 3. Code switching. Code switching is the shifting of the use of two or more language or language varieties in a single interaction. According to Holmes and Wilson 2017 and Truesdell 2010, code switching is not a sign of language weakness, but rather a socially meaningful communicative strategy. Function of code switching: some main function, showing social identify, adjusting to the interlocutor, emphasizing meaning or emotion, marking a change in topic situation. Case sample. School context. The teacher says, "Today we will learn about narrative text. So please open your textbook to page 45." English Indonesian code switching is done to explain academic terms, ensure students' understanding. According to Holmes and Meyerhoff, 2003, this practice and common in multilingual education context. For polythenous. Polythenous relates to the linguistic strategies speakers use to maintain social relationship and the pace of their interlocutors. The most influential theory was put forward by Brown and Levinson, who differentiated positive pace, the desire to be respected; negative pace, the desire to be unrestricted. Polythenous strategies. Positive polythenous demonstrating familiarity, negative polythenous respecting distance and freedom of record, conveying meaning indirectly, according to Levinson 2008 and Holmes and Wilson 2017. The choice of polythenous strategy is greatly influenced by social context, status, and culture. Case example. Request to a teacher. Impolite, I'd like to be excused. Polite, excuse me, ma'am, may I be excused for a moment? The second sentence use apology modality may, respect marker. The reflex negative polythenous, Brown and Levinson 1987. These four concepts, speech act, turn-taking, code switching, and polythenous, are key elements in discourse analysis and sociolinguistics. Based on the reference you used, all four cannot be separated from the social context, power relation, and communicative goals.